Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope that you all are keeping well by God's grace. You know that during the last 5 months or more, the whole of the world is panicked for fear of coronaviruses. So, you should not go outside of your house unless and until you are compelled to do. Okay? Now we will learn the second part of prefixes. Before it, we have discussed in the first part many of the prefixes. Now we will discuss a few of the remaining prefixes. Now I repeat, at first we should know what a prefix is. Pre means before, fix means join. So prefix means to add or to join before. So we can say that a prefix is a letter or a group of letters or a syllable or a word added at the beginning of a root word or stem word, such as auto. Auto is a prefix, and biography. Biography is a stem word. So we can say that auto plus biography, that means autobiography. Now we will discuss the remaining prefixes. Okay? By. By is a prefix. Standard, bystander. Path, by path. Word, by word. On. Onset, onlooker, onslaught. Over. Over means above or beyond. Flow, overflow. Head, overhead. Here, over here. Coat, overcoat. To means this. Day, today. Night, tonight. Morrow, tomorrow. Under. Under means below. Go, undergo. Stand, understand. Well. Well means good. Come, welcome. Being, well being. Fair, welfare. With, WITH, with. With is a prefix. Stand, with stand. Hold, with hold. Draw, with draw. Ambi. Ambi means around. Ambition, ambiguous. Circum. Circum means around. Circumference, circular. Circumnavigate, circuit. Contra and counter. Contra and counter mean against. Contradict, counteract, countersign. Dia. Dia means through. Dia means through. TISROUGH, through. Meter, diameter. Gonal, diagonal. Demi, DEMI, demi. Demi means half. God, demigod. Hyper. Hyper means over. Hyper means over or beyond. Hyperbole, hypermetrical, etc. Omni. Omni means all. Omnipotent, omniscient. Peri. Peri means round. Meter, perimeter. Poly. Poly means many. Theist, polytheist. If we add the prefix poly at the beginning of theist, it will be polytheist. Gone, polygon. Gamy, polygamy. Syllable, polysyllable. If we add the word poly at the beginning of syllable, it will be polysyllable. Pseudo. 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 Pseudo means false. Name. Pseudonym. Philanthropist. Pseudo philanthropist. Next, uni. Uni means one. Universal, uniform, unanimous. Next, I will tell you some more prefixes. Beni. Beni means well. Benediction, benefit. Pen. Pen means almost. Ultimate, penultimate. Peninsula. If we add the prefix pen at the beginning of the stem or root word ultimate, it will be penultimate. That means something that is nearly ultimate. Ana. Ana. Ana is a prefix. If we add ana at the beginning of chronism, it will be anachronism. Next, cata. Cata means down. Cataract, catastrophe, catalog. DYS, dis. DYS, dis. Dis means badly. This means badly. This means badly. Dyspepsia, dysentery. AP. EPI, AP. AP means upon. Epilogue, epitaph. Next, EU. EU. EU means oil. Eulogy, euphony, etc. Hemi. HEMI, hemi. Hemi means half. HALF, half. Sphere, hemisphere. If we add the prefix hemi at the beginning of sphere, it will be hemisphere. Next, hypo. Hypo means something under. HYPO. Hypo means something under. Such as hypovitaminosis. Hypovitaminosis. If a human body takes less vitamin, that person may suffer from a disease that is called hypovitaminosis. Next, hyper. Hyper means over or beyond. If a man takes more vitamins than what he or she needs, that very person will also suffer from a disease that is called hypervitaminosis. Hypervitaminosis. There are some more words with hyper. They are hypothesis and hypermetrical, and there are more words with hypo, such as hypothesis and Hippocrate or Hypocrite. Next, para. P-A-R-A, para. Para means beside, such as parallel, paradox, parasite. Next, philo. P-H-I-L-O, philo. Philo means love, such as philosophy, philanthropy. Pro. Pro means instead of. Pro means instead of, or in lieu of, or in exchange of, such as pronoun. Pronoun. If the prefix po is added at the beginning of a noun, there will be a change in meaning of the new word. Then here the new word is pronoun. So we can say that a pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. Next, there are some prefixes relating to number, such as I have told you earlier one prefix relating to number, that is mono. Mono means one, such as monosyllable, monosaccharide. If we add the prefix mono at the beginning of syllable, it will be monosyllable, and if we add the prefix mono at the beginning of saccharide, it will be monosaccharide. Monosaccharide means a saccharide where one saccharide exists. A saccharide, a compound where one saccharide exists. Monosyllable, a word where there is one syllable. So we can say mono means one or single. Next, bi. B-I, bi. Bi means two, such as cycle, bicycle. And di, die. Di, die. Die means two. Die means two or twice, such as disaccharide. Disaccharide means a substance where there are two saccharides. Next, tri. Tri means three. Tri means three or thrice, such as tricycle or trisaccharide. Tricycle means a vehicle that has three cycles, that is called tricycle. Saccharide means a substance that has three saccharides. Next, quadruple means 4, penta means 5, penta such as pentagon. Pentagon. If we add the word penta at the beginning of gon, it will be pentagon. Pentasyllables or pentasyllabic word. If we add penta at the beginning of syllable, it will be pentasyllable. That means a word that has 5 syllables. Hexa. Hexa means 6. Hexa means 6. Such as hexagon, hexameter. Next, septa. Septa means 7. Septa means 7. If we add the prefix septa at the beginning of a word, there will be a change in the meaning, such as septagon or septagonal or septameter. Next, octa or octo. Octa means 8. Octa means 8. And next, nona. N-O-N-A. Nona means 9. So we can tell you that there are many types of prefixes, and if we can add proper prefixes to proper roots or stems, more and more appropriate words will be created, and by such way we can create a great vocabulary, a stock of so many words. So as I have told you earlier that practice makes a man perfect, you have to practice the prefixes of part A and part B again and again from your test papers or question banks or any kinds of question papers or question banks. And if you go through, or if you practice again and again these prefixes, I am sure that you will be a perfect man. So I am requesting you, I am calling you again and again, please practice these prefixes again and again, and you will be so adept, so efficient in using these prefixes that whatever prefixes may be given in your examination, I am sure you will make the correct answer. So from now on, practice again and again, and you will be a perfect man. And at last, again I will say that the whole of the world is panicked for fear of coronavirus or COVID-19. So unless and until you are compelled to go outside, please don't go outdoors and stay at home and practice your all kinds of subjective problems, and practice again and again, and you will be a complete man by practicing all of your subjects. So may God bless you. Stay safe and secure. Goodbye.